Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope you will be fine and you will be safe at your homes. Okay. So as nowadays a new chapter is given to you online, that is area of compound shapes, right? Further further topics will be also elaborated to you afterwards, but I am seeing that few students are facing problem in calculating the area of compound shapes. So I have the pictures of our book sums in my hand, okay, and I am going to solve few of the sums, okay, which are a bit tricky for you, right? And you can solve them in the copies, and if you face any problem uh, after elaborating even, so you can comment me in the video below, right? So first of all, I would like to tell you, I'll like to have tell you about the brainstorming, okay. I'll get the knowledge, okay, that by writing the area formula of area, that is very simple. You would have studied it before in the earlier classes, that length into width, if we multiply these two, okay, so we'll get the area of any rectangle or square, right? Simple shape. uh, I'll do one example over here, that is given in the uh, books as well, right? The A part of Macmillan 5B6, pay number 6, right? So that is that shape is like this, 8.5 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So what we'll have to do is very easy, that we will follow this formula, that length into width. Length, this is the length and this is the width. So we will multiply 8.5 centimeter by 4 centimeter. So after multiplying these two values, we will get the answer. 8.5 multiplied by 4, 4 5s are 20, 0, 2 carry. So for 32 and 34. So answer is 34 centimeter square, right? But what if the compound shapes are given to you, right? So how we can calculate, as I am going to solve question G part for you, okay. The shape is like this, uh, 8 centimeter, 12 centimeter, this is 14 centimeter, and this is 5 centimeter. Students, keep this thing in your mind, that in the compound shapes, right, we'll have to divide the shapes to make it simple, to make it a simple shape like this, okay. But here we have the values, few values, right, uh, given to you. But let's see, okay, I have divided this shape, and this is also rectangle, this is also rectangle. Now I'll name this area as A and this area as B. All right. For area A, the length is given to you, that is 12 centimeter, and width is also given to you, that is 8 centimeter. So finding out the area of A is very easy, that you will multiply 8 centimeter by 12 centimeter by 8 centimeter. So the answer will be uh, 96 centimeter square, right? But what if the B part? In B part, length is given to you, that is 5 centimeter, but the width is not given to you. For that, what we will do, if we have the opposite values given to you, like this is horizontal, this is also horizontal, this is also horizontal, but this is bottom horizontal and this is top horizontal, these are top horizontals. So how we can find out the value of missing horizontal line? So they both are given oppositely. So what we will do, we will subtract always remember, if the values are oppositely given to you, you will subtract both of them, right? So I'll subtract 14 minus 14 from A, 8 from 14. So answer will be 6 centimeter. So this missing value is now 6 centimeter. Now I have got the length 5 and width is 6. So what I will do, area of B is 6 centimeter by 5 centimeter. So I'll subtract both of them, sorry, multiply both of them. 6 into 5, 30 centimeter square. Now I have got the area 30 and this area is 96. Now what I will do, I will I'll sum up, I'll do the total of these two areas, right? So I will write total area is equals to 96 centimeter square plus 30 centimeter square. Now I'll add both of them, okay? So by adding both of them, I'll get the answer 96. I'll do 96 and 30. So 6 and 126. Answer is 126 centimeter square. Hope your questions, your what you can say that misconceptions that you are facing, right, or any difficulty you are facing while calculating the area are cleared. Alright students, previously we have done question in which a compound shape was given and the values of that shape were oppositely given. Like I'll do one question, like suppose it's 20 centimeter and it is 10 centimeter and it is 16 centimeter and this one is 9 centimeter. So how we will calculate this? We have done this before. We have calculated the missing value, that these are also oppositely given. So if I want to find this one, so I will just subtract these two and get this one value, and these are also oppositely given, so we'll subtract these two and get this one value, right? So now again another question I'm going to do for you of page number 6, that is, what if the as it is in the book, page number D part, and in the D part it is like this. This is 19 centimeter and this is 17 centimeter and this is 9 centimeter and this is 8 centimeter. So these both values are not given to us. So what we can do here, as I told you before, if the oppositely given values are if the values are oppositely given to you, so you will subtract. But here you can see that this is also a bottom, this is also on bottom, and the top one is empty. So both bottoms are given, and here the rights are given, the right side and this right side is given, and this left side is not given. So the oppositely they are having complete blank value over here. So what we will do, if the both values are given on one side, okay, so we will add the values given which are only on one side, so we will get the whole value of the other side. So like I am going to do one thing, one side in front of you. This is the top and this is bottom. So this is 19, this is 17, this is also on bottom, this is also on bottom. So top one is empty. So what we will do, we will add both of them. So if we add both of them, the answer will be 36. So we will write 36 centimeter. Here again the right side, the left side is completely empty, right? And the left side, right side is given. Both sides, sides are given. So 8 on the right, 9 on the right. Both are on the same side. So we will add both of them, and we'll write over here 9 plus 8. Again 9 plus 8, the answer will be 17 centimeters. So I'll write 17 centimeter here. Now our both our every side has a value, right? So now it's up to us that how we can divide the shape, right? Let's suppose I divide this shape like this. I'll write it A and this B. So now I have 17 length and 8 width, right? So area A is 18 multiplied by 17 multiplied by 8, and area B is 19 multiplied by 17, right? So what we will do, we will multiply both of them. If you multiply 17 by 8, so I'll get 17 by 8, 136 centimeter square, and 19 by 17, this will be 323. Now I have got area A and B. Now I will write total area here. So I'll add both of them, 136 plus 323. Let's do it. Plus 459 centimeter square. So this is the way how, if the both values are given on the same side and the opposite side is completely missing. So what we can do, we will add the values which are given on the same side, and the other side, the empty side, will be found out. Thank you. Alright students, now we have another one, the last question of this topic, the area of compound shape, right? Page number 7 of Macmillan, right? So we are here, I am going to share the strategy that how you can find out the shaded area, right? That is of question number 2, and I have the pic of that question as well here. Now I'm gonna solve one question, that is E part. I'm going to solve that question is given to you like this. Trust me, these sort of questions are very easy to solve, right? So just have a just keep an eye that how I am going to solve these. You in these sort of questions, you will have to just subtract the areas, the both areas that are given that I am going to solve, right? Let's suppose it is off. Alright, so in this E part, 16 centimeter is written over here, and this is 14 centimeter, okay, and this is 6 centimeter of inner, this is inner rectangle, and this is outer rectangle, right? So what we will have to do, we will have to just find out this shaded area, okay? So how we can find it out? So we will write this area A and this area B. First of all, we will calculate the area A. The values of area A rectangle are 16 centimeter and multiplied by 14 centimeter. The formula will be same, L into width, that is 16 centimeter by 14 centimeter. We will multiply both of them, okay? Answer is 244 centimeter square, 224 centimeter square. Now I will calculate the area B. So that is 6 centimeter multiplied by 5 centimeter. So I will multiply 6 5s are 30 centimeter square. Now As I told you before, in the previous questions, we are adding both areas. Now, in this sort of question, we'll have to subtract both of them. So I'll subtract the bigger area from the smaller area. That is, all right. Shaded area is equals to 224 minus 30. So if I subtract, so answer will be 194 centimeter square, right? So this is the way you can calculate the area of shaded regions, right? So if you have any query regarding these questions, you can write down in the comment section, right? And good luck.